Dear students, good morning. We are in part 7, determinants, and we solved exercise 4.1 and also started 4.2. In that exercise 4.2, we solved 3 problems. Now we are going to solve 4, 5 and 6. Observe. Solution. Fourth one. We have to prove this fourth problem that determinant is equal to 0, but without expanding. Already we solved the 3 problems. In those 3 problems, we are not directly, by traditional method, we did not solve that 3 problems. By using the properties only. Some properties are there, you know it well. By using the properties of determinant without expanding the determinant, I have to prove that it is equal to 0. So, the given is determinant 1 BC A of B plus C, 1 CA B of C plus A, 1 AB C of A plus B. Yeah. Here we use some properties. R2, it becomes as R2 minus R1. And R3 also. We change R3, the row 3, R3 minus R1. The R1 is as it is, whereas R2 and R3 can be changed. 1 BC, it is A of B plus C, yeah. It is 1 minus 1, that is 0. It is CA minus B. It is BC plus BA expansion minus AB minus AC. Okay, now? And it is 1 minus 1, R3 also, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. It is AB minus BC, here also CA plus BC minus AB minus AC. Okay, now? This is R3 as R3 minus R1. That is application. Now it is 1 BC. This is AB cancels. First is A of B plus C as it is. Here also AC cancels. 0. Then the second row it is C of A minus B, and it is BC minus AC is there. By taking C is common, B minus A, okay now, try to understand it. And 0 in this, it is B of A minus C, and here also BC minus AB, B is common, B of C minus A is there. Okay now? Okay, simply the first row is not disturbed, it is as it is written, and row 2 and 3 can be like this. If you observe in this row 2 and row 3, 0, anything is common. A minus B, here also A minus B is there, but B minus A, if you take minus, it can change A minus B. Here also C minus A minus C, A minus C. So, here A minus B and A minus C are common. A minus B in the row 2, A minus C in the row 3. Not needed in the 2 terms are in the 2 rows, in the single row, R2 or R3. In R2, we have A minus B. In R3 we have the common A minus. It is as it is. 1 BC A of B plus C. It is 0. It is a C. It is minus C. Try to understand. Minus C. Why? Because A minus B we take the common. Here also it is 0, B, and it is minus B. Okay, now don't confuse. C minus A is there. A minus B means minus B is there. Okay, now right. Now it is A minus B of A minus C. Now you apply, you expand the thing. I am expanding the determinant in the first column, not in the first row. Of course, maybe we may calculate, expand the determinant of this one in row 1 or 2 or 3. But in this case, it is very simple. You see that it is 1 of plus 1. It is a plus, minus, plus, you know which one? Plus 1 of, it is minus BC, minus of minus BC. Don't confuse. 1 of row and column is related. This product minus this product. Minus BC, minus of, again minus BC is there. Okay, na? Be careful. Right. It is A minus B of A minus C. It is minus BC. It is plus BC. Will you agree? Minus of minus plus BC, minus BC. It cancels. We get 0. 0 and it is product. 0 and anything is 0. Okay, na? Like that, by using the properties, at the last step, we expand it. Okay, na? Like this, we have to solve the problem. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Next, fifth one. It is given. The given determinant is, it is B plus C, Q plus R, and R plus Y plus, I'm sorry. It is Y plus Z. And it is C plus A. It is R plus P. It is Z plus X. And A plus B. It is P plus Q. And it is X plus Y. That is LHS. We take LHS. Okay, na? Forget you know. It is LHS and we prove RHS. The first column is with ABC. The second column is with PQR. Third column is XYZ. Okay, na? Here also without expanding, direct method is not applicable. By using the properties, we have to solve. R1, it becomes as R1 plus R2 plus R3. You see that? This R1, in the place of R1 first row, we are adding R2 elements and R3 elements also. That is B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. Will you agree? It is Q plus R plus P plus P plus Q. And Y plus Z plus Z plus X plus Y. Okay, na? Like this. The next is as it is. It is C plus A, it is R plus P, and it is Z plus X. It is also A plus B. It is P plus Q and X plus Y. It is as it is. Now it is observing 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's are there. 2 times of A plus B plus C is there. 2 times of P plus Q plus R is there. 2 times of X plus Y plus Z is there. Next, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. This is A plus B, P plus Q, it is X plus Y. Okay now? Next. Here 2 is common. So we take 2 as a common. Okay, Nana? 2 is common. It is not necessary again writing out this one. 2 is not there. Just you assume. 2 is not there. I will write here and I will delete this one. Try to understand it. Okay, na? Now 2 is as a common. It is taken out. And you see, here A plus B plus C is there. R1 minus R2. If you make R2 as subtracted in R1, the corresponding elements A plus B plus C minus A. CA cancels, we get B. So here R1 it changes as R1 minus R2. So here we get simply B. Okay, na? It is simply B. Here RP cancels, we get Q. Here ZX cancels, we get Y. And it is the same as C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. And it is A plus B, it is P plus Q, and it is X plus Y. Okay, na? You see how much it is reduced. If you go on solving by taking the traditional method, that is a direct method, it's very clumsy. By using the properties, it will become as a simple, very simple, simplified. Now we see A plus B is there, here B is there, R3 minus R1, then BB cancels. P plus Q minus Q, Q cancel. X plus Y minus Y. So here we apply R3 changes as R3 minus R1. Then it is 2 of. It is B, Q, Y as it is here. No change in the row 1. Row 2 also not be changed. The only row 3 will be changed as row 3 minus row 1. A plus B minus B. A only. BB cancel. P plus Q minus Q. P only. X plus Y minus Y. X only. Okay, na? Is it clear? How much it is reduced? It is a standard type problem. You have to follow this method only. Okay, na? 2 or 3 times you follow it. Now the thing is only C plus A, R2. These are R2, all the elements of R2 are sum of two terms. Now R2 minus R3. You see then R2 minus R3 means AA cancel, here PP cancel, XX cancel. So it is it's simple. In one step we can get the answer. You see, here also we will apply R2 as R2 minus R3. Now it is its answer. It is 2 into 2 is there. It is B, Q and Y is as it is. C plus A minus A, C. R plus P minus P, R. Z plus X minus X, Z. And it is A, P and X. Okay, now? Now you observe, is it the same as RHS? Some difference is there. You see, Here, you see and observe. The A, R3 and first we change R2, I mean here R1 as R3. Will you agree? You see that? Not R2. First we change it. So it is, we get 1 minus extra. If two rows are interchanged, R1 as R2. In order to put it BQY, here BQY is in row 2, so it is. And CRZ, of course it is in third. First we send to first one. So it is CRZ, BQY. It is APX. Here R1, R2 are both interchanged. If both interchanged, we get 1 minus. Again, here, again this R1 again changed as R3 here. So it is R3 will go to R1, APX, and BQY is as it is. Now this first row will become as a third row, CRZ. Here double time minus is there. Double time. Don't confuse minus into again minus into 2. Okay, na? 2 times, because 2 times the rows are shuffled, interchanged. So we get every time minus into minus. Double time minus into minus plus. It is 2 APX BQY CRZ. This is nothing but RHS. Okay, now? Don't confuse. Try to solve it 3 or 4 times without seeing the solution. Okay, now? Yeah. Okay, 6th one. Here, in order to prove that the determinant LHS as RHS without expanding and by using the properties, it is a somewhat logical one. Let capital A is equal, we are assuming that this is A. It is 0 A minus B. Minus A, 0, minus C. It is a B, C, 0. Okay, na? It is a given. Then A transpose, you know it, A transpose is 0, A minus B. Row will become as column. Second row will become as column. B, C, 0. It is a third row, third column. Yeah, okay. It is a transpose. It is nothing but minus. If you take minus as common, it is A, B. Okay, now? It is other way. It is 0, A minus B. And minus A, 0, minus C. B, C, 0. Okay, na? It is same as A, the determinant A. So, A transpose is equal to minus A. And of course, you assume it is a matrix, not a determinant. We assume as a matrix. Not directly, we will prove that one. First, considering a matrix, it is the determinant that one, it is right here, but I am taking A only. A matrix, A transpose, rows, columns are interchanged. So that is nothing but a minus A. Therefore, A transpose is equal to minus A. Now, we are taking on both sides the determinant. Okay, na? Taking on both sides the determinant, the Delta of A transpose is nothing but delta A. We know delta A is nothing but delta of A transpose. The property is there. So it will become as delta A. Here it is minus delta A. How can you say minus? You see, Ka determinant is nothing but K into delta A. It is also there. We proved it. Okay, now. But its order is there. Here is order, whatever it may be. Not needed, simply write it. Now it is delta A plus delta A is equal to 0 now. So it is 2 times delta A is equal to 0. So delta A is equal to 0. What is delta A? Delta A means it is okay, Nana? A, this is A. Determinant A means 0. A minus B. Minus A, 0. It is minus C. It is B, C, and it is 0. It's always 0. So the determinant of any skew matrix, this is a skew matrix. The elements of in the diagonal, first diagonal are zeros. We know each one. It is a skew matrix. The determinant of skew matrix is always 0. You mind it. Go through 12, 2 or 3 times, and by heart it. Yeah. Okay. Next, seventh problem. Seventh problem, LHS is equal to the LHS minus A square. This is AB, yes. It is BA minus B square, BC. It is CA, it is CB minus C square is the LHS. Here also same thing. Without expansion, we have to prove by using the properties. You observe me. In the first row, A is common. A square, AB, AC. In the second row, B is common. In the third row, C is common. So, A into B into C is taken as common. Okay, now? In the determinant, observe me, one statement. In one row or one column in the determinant, if a number is common, if a constant is common, we can take as a common. We can write it as a common, a multiple of that determinant. Whereas in the case of matrix, not in one row or one column, that number, that constant must be in each and every element of that total matrix. Okay, now, suppose I will write it. A is a matrix 2, 4, 6 to 8 is there. It is 2 by 2. For understanding purpose, I take 2 by 2. Here 2 is common. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. Whereas that here, you see, it is the same 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. Okay, Nana? It is 2 is common in the first row. It is 1, 2, but 6, 8 only. Don't confuse. And again, this can be 2 into 1 more 2 can be taken in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful. Okay, now? There is a lot of differences there. Okay, now? In one row or one column, we can take common in the case of determinant. Whereas in each and every term of element of matrix must be that common. Then only we can take the common. Okay, now? Right. Like this, here A is in the first row, B is in the second row, C is in the third row. Now we get minus A, B, C. Here A minus B, C. Here A, B, here minus. Okay, now? That is the difference. Okay, na? Now this is ABC. You see, we have to get the RHS, not determined. It is one expression. A term is there. Yet it is a determinant. Okay, Nana? You see, simply we apply R1 as R1 plus R2. Okay, now you see. Now it is minus A plus A, it is 0. B minus B, it is 0. C plus A, it is 2C. Okay, now? A minus B, C, A, B minus. Or otherwise, here also we may R3 as R3 plus R2. This R2 is applied for 1 and 3 also. Here R1, row 1 is added with the corresponding elements of R2. Minus A plus A 0. B minus B 0. C plus C is 2C. And R2 is as it is because R1 and R3 only changes. R2 as it is, I wrote it. And R3, you see then, A plus A, 2A. B minus B, 0. C plus C, 0. Okay now? Now, here also in the first row, 2 is common. 0 into 2, 0 into 2, 2C. So, 2 is common. Not in the third row, not in second row, third row is again 2 is common. 2 into 2 into ABC now we get 0, 0, C. A minus B, C. A 0, 0 is there. It is 4 ABC Now we calculate the determinant in the first row. 0 minus 0 plus C into 0 into anything is 0. Not needed to write that. 0 into minus B into 0, 0 into C, not it is needed. 0 into anything is 0, minus 0 into anything is 0. In the calculation, it is a plus minus plus plus C of row and column is deleted. A into 0 is 0 minus of A into minus B. It is minus AB. Be careful. Now it is 4 ABC. It is minus into minus plus C into AB. ABC is there. So total it is 4 A square B square C square. That is RHS. Okay na? You followed this one. Very clear. Okay na? Yeah.